Hello everybody. Today I have a Polaris Sportsman 600 here, and what customer was complaining about is when they try to put it in a neutral, it always reads reverse, and when you try to put in low or high, it always reads reverse. And also when they put in low or high and they try to write it, it hesitates. The gear selector switch right here, which is mounted normally right here. So what we do is you just want to make sure that this little notch here has no damage to it once you take it out. If it has no damage, before you start probing all the wires to make sure if the wiring is correct or not, all you need to do is disconnect the actual sensor completely and then try to write it. And if you are able to write it without any hesitation in forward, low and high, then definitely your switch is bad. You're going to go ahead and replace the switch, plug it back in, and you are all set. In my case, the switch is definitely bad. I am going to replace that and get this thing over to the customer. There's a few things you do have to inspect. You have to inspect that this is connected correctly. There's not significant play in here. This one is tight, it's not loose and slipping. This is perfect. You also have to check, make sure the shaft has no damage, and make sure you have to check to make sure the sensor is not damaged. And if this is all check out, the next thing you're going to do is unplug it completely, go for a ride. And if it works, like I said, replace your switch and you're all set. Saves you a headache of probing through the cables and finding all the other shenanigans. Thank you so much for watching. This fixed it for me. Hopefully this will help you to fix your shift selector issue on your Polaris Sportsman 600. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.